Ready?
Let me show you how to delete unnecessary game storage. So let's say PUBG, press and hold the PUBG mobile, click app info. As you can see here, the storage and cache is 11.4 gigabytes. 11.44 in PUBG mobile is very large, so in order to delete unnecessary game storage, clear storage. Okay, so we now have game storage of 1 gigabyte. So let's go back, let's open the game. Now and update the game. So it's updating. Let's wait for it to update. So we will be adding additional 548 game storage. So after we download the new resources, let's check the game storage of the PUBG game. So as you can see, I've downloaded the map, Rangel, Livik, and Vikendi. So let's check our game storage. As you can see, the storage and cache is 2.75 gigabytes. So if you add resources, the game storage will increase. So from 11.44 gigabyte down to 2.75 gigabyte. So we will have 8.69 gigabytes free space. So that's a lot of free space. I hope that you learned something from this video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one. So that's all. See you in my next video.
Get ready.